Running 9x by 39 every single day, proving it is not that bad. Only FMJ. Let's get into the raid. I will kill you. Welcome back into the raid. Welcome back into the raid, guys. Shout out to Bentley on TT for that Alton face shield. Got one. I don't know if he's dead or not. He's grabbing this guy's kit. Someone flank, someone flank. Yeah, he got the guy's gun. That's my stuff, dude. He's dying to scabs. Good job. By the way, he had my guy's stuff, so I'm gonna take whatever he had. Dude, I killed him. I killed the guy that had this gun. He had an MDR. I already killed this guy. This guy yoinked my guy's stuff. Here, you can have the MDR suppressed. Lily. We might have kids behind us. I'm still at Death Ball. I know what you're talking about. Oh no, that was mine. That was mine. I just gave it to him. Yeah, with a laser. He's desperate. I'm hearing footsteps. I don't have smoke detectors. Dude, we got those kids out of their spawn. I need to get my stamina back, so. I've heard one, and that was that guy. And so I heard a different guy, but I couldn't make out what it was. We didn't hear any shots, that's crazy. So we have kidded somewhere. Dude, he weighs like 2 pounds. How does an MDR weigh 5 kgs? That's insane for an MDR. Oh, I didn't know. Probably with a suppressed gun, isn't it? Where is he? Just got the house, or he's in house? He might be hitting it. Oh, medkit. Dude, that's him! What'd you throw? Oh. He's in our skull. Is he alpha? I got right. There's one. There might be another. There might be another. That kid's ATE. That kid's ATE. That kid's ATE. He goes AT. He's AP. He's definitely AP. Where'd he get running from when he ATE? I don't carry bags anymore. I thought the kid was a Ronin, so I was like, where do we spawn? No, we didn't. Why don't you? Is that when you're getting off? Oh yeah, I forgot you have school. Callie? Fuck, I forgot the other one. Oregon, right? No. No. Oh, fuck. I can't remember. Dude, buy an apartment. Buy like an apartment that's like 50 bucks a month. Alright, I just heard an M4 shot halfway across the map.
Maiden of Tabor.
Nice shit. Yeah, I'm not going for it. Now, if we didn't kill any kids, plus I heard shots halfway across the map, so. Got him. How many is there? 2?